Scale model enthusiast or not, welcome back into my channel. In this new video of this series dedicated to the 1985 Peugeot 2005 EV1, I will complete some minor details and finally dress the 2005 with its body. The first thing to do will be to remove the pieces from the sprue and clean them with files. This TAMIYA kit is quite old, but inside it there are the front and the side grills that greatly enhance the model. The air intake that you can see on the roof can be improved thanks to the photo etch mesh present in the trans kit. I've decided to enhance the wheel by drilling a small hole, where I'll then place the air valves. Underneath this car there was a large plate that served to protect the mechanical part from the uneven ground. I'll remove it from the sprue and clean it from the residue. The last piece to detach and clean is the rear view mirror. I'll also mask the car to paint the front glass border and the headlights. I'm using Titan primer for the plastic parts. For the metal parts I'll be using the VMS metal primer. After applying the primers, I can proceed to paint all the components. Spraying a black base before chrome painting allows me to achieve a much better result. For the clear coat I'll be using Mr. Color Super Clear, diluted at 50% with TAMIYA lacquer thinner. I'm removing the masking in the hope that I haven't caused any damage. I'm painting the front door signals with TAMIYA transparent orange paint. As mentioned, this kit is quite old, and the clear parts aren't in the best condition. However, the scratches don't seem too deep. I'll try to fix them with the TAMIYA polishing compounds, hoping they do the job. The scratches are gone. I would say we can now proceed to install the glass. I will now assemble all the components and close the Peugeot's body. To simulate the air valves, I'm using a small piece of black wire. I'll put a drop of oil on the wheels to make the installation easier. For gluing the clear parts I always use white glue. It's easy to remove and won't damage the clear pieces. The Peugeot is on all 4-wheel with the body in place. I'm really happy and satisfied with the result I achieved so far. There's still a bit to go to finish assembling this model, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel to see how this saga will end. I truly thank all of you for following me this far and for the support and encouragement I received. I may not be the best model on YouTube, but I'm certainly one of those who have the most fun. See you in the next episode, and remember that collecting boxes is fun, but collecting model even more. Bye bye!